Hi everyone, it's Anita Foster with the American Red Cross in Dallas-Fort Worth, and I just want to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. To my mom, Bob, Dawn, Jane, Bill, and Nancy, as you sit around the Thanksgiving table, please do not argue over politics. Just enjoy all the great food. I'm going to be here in Deer Park, New York, most likely spend most of the day at our feeding kitchen, where we're going to be loading up Thanksgiving meals and taking them out to all the people here on Long Island that can't make meals for themselves this Thanksgiving. To all of my Red Cross colleagues, some that are here in New York and New Jersey with me, and to all of you at home, I just want to say happy Thanksgiving. It's such a pleasure to work with you every day. And to our donors who made a gift so that I could be here even on a holiday because people need us. I just want to say thank you for that. It means a lot to be able to serve even when we're far from home. So happy Thanksgiving, Dallas-Fort Worth. I am so looking to return home and be able to use the word y'all whenever I want to. I'll see you when I get back. Happy Thanksgiving.